Hello and welcome to the Geek Lab, and today we're going to do something I this morning never thought I'd be doing. We're actually going to build our own remote control drone and fly it, because we came across these in a local Argus resale place, usually £70, today £10, and it's from Revell, the guys who build all the kid stuff. So what this will allow you to do is actually build your own sort of RC X-Wing fighter. Now, it's not a complex drone, obviously, but it should be a little bit of fun. So I thought I'd do this. So yeah, at first I thought it's just a drone because I didn't see this. Do it yourself, build it yourself. Yes, I thought it'd just be a drone, so I didn't get it. But then I thought, oh, I saw that and thought, oh yes, this looks much more fun. So it's a modern Star Wars sort of 2.4 gigahertz. It's got a light. I'm sold. I am sold. Nothing much on the rest of it. 14 years plus. Quick demo of the battery and stuff. I imagine I've got to charge this battery. Do it yourself. No, you do it. I wonder how you charge the battery, because there's no charger. Because as you'll see, I've already taken the contents out of the box, mainly because I was having to check it earlier and I couldn't get the bloody thing back in. So this is what you get in the box. You get a controller. Ooh. X-Wing fighter, 2.4 gigahertz. You get parts. Let's have a look at the parts, shall we? Big bag of parts. So lots and lots of parts. This could be fun. Right. Okay. So we've got, here's our battery. Still none the wiser as to how this charges. Okay. So that's the battery. Back 16, we've got those things, skis. 14. We've got the main blades. Right, I dropped the bit, having to reach down. Okay, number 5, we've got this strange thing. That's on the arms. 17. Tiny little bits there. And then this bit. Number 8, with tiny screws. Hope we get a screwdriver. Although I do have some. 15, more blades. Another arm, what appears to be an arm cover. We've got this thing to stick on, these things to stick on, look like engines. We've got spare parts, and they do give an amount of spare parts. This will be how we charge the battery, USB. I suspect I may have to get that charging because it probably isn't charged already. So yeah, we got them, you get blades, and what's in that little bag? Or is it just a spare bag? Wow, the ingenious system is. And it screws or something in that little bag. Can't get in there to look. Right, got a bit of battery bay. That'll be the heart of it. You get one of these into one of these collector's kits and charge a fortune. Buy it month by month. 700 quid for a 220 quid toy. Right, there we go. Pods, nothing, and another cover. And we get safety instructions in a billion languages. Boring. The Star Wars user manual for once you've built it. Yep, charge it by USB. We'll have to get that charging stored away because I doubt it's fully charged. We get the manual for building it itself. All the different stages. Yes. There we go. And the main body of the ship, which is extremely flexible. Obviously it's got to be lightweight, it's a drone. It's like, yeah, load of screws, tiny screws in that one. And we got a screwdriver, yes, and a central arm, looks like, in that one, at the bottom of the drone. So let's go on the floor, because I'm going to go on the floor because there's much more space there, and we'll get this thing built. Be right back. Alright, and we're now on the floor, and I've spread out all the pieces roughly in their bags so we can work through this one step at a time. I've got my trusty instructions, which is going to tell me hopefully how to do this properly. I can see me dropping a few of these screws because they are tiny. So let us turn the camera to our workspace here and let's get cracking. So number one. Right, that is an extremely fiddly thing to build. So what we're going to do, yeah, I've never had anything, I don't think, so fiddly in the history of the lab to build. If you haven't got the patience of a saint, I would not recommend doing this one. Possibly just the reason why they're selling them off cheap. Do not know, but it's a damn good hypothesis. Now I'm having trouble fitting the battery in. Right, okay, we shall play with the battery and then be back. Okay, the battery is connected and yay, we got a green flashy light ready to pair. So I need to get some batteries for the old controller here, which doesn't have a screw on. Wow, amazing. And let's see if we can get this thing flying. Something's loose inside it. I must have dropped a screw in there, but I am not going in to get that out. Alright, let's have a quick look at, yeah, let's get some batteries in this. Okay, got some batteries. Let's see if it pairs. Apparently, we do this. Would help if it was on. Idiot. Right, okay. On. Green flashy. So we can see it on the copy there whether it's working. Right, so and then that one. Ah, it works then. Okay. So that one was a bit slow there in the take up. Okay. Ooh, so got trim controls. Right then, let's reposition everything and see if we can get this thing flying. Yay! Right, we're on the lab floor. This is not an exhaustive test, just to see if we can get it flying, and let's see what it does. So, the power. And it seems to want to go the wrong way. The front's going up, but the back appears to be going down. Let me have a look at this. Right, take two. And there was nothing wrong with it. I actually put the blades on the wrong way around. It turns out they're all lettered, and I'd done it the wrong way around. So let's kick into life again and see how much disaster we can cause. Let's raise that up. And okay. That's it, quite stable, I'm impressed. Carefully switch the fin out, and works nicely. There you go. Got no major functionality, doesn't go, you can't rotate it. No, none of those buttons do anything. Very twitchy on that setting. But there you go, it'll fly around nicely and happily, and when you've got a decent pilot, do a landing. And you've got some spare parts, so it's not a fancy drone. But for in-house and stuff, it's going to do the job just nicely. It's just a shame it's so bloody silly to make. So there we go. There's the drone back on the floor. nice and safe. So, this little Revell drone thingy type thing that you build yourself, what do I think? Well, if you've not got the patience of a saint and really tough fingers, then don't bother with this one, because you will get irritated. There are a lot of screws to go in here and you'll spend a lot of time dropping them. And those cables going to the controller are really tight and the ports themselves aren't the best quality, so you could easily, I see, snap them, as you saw me do with that wire, although I managed to bodge that back. Other than that, the build, if you get somebody else to do it, yeah. Other than that, the drone itself, indoor drone, but it seems quite stable, quite controllable, doesn't do rotatey or anything, but it flies quite well, quite stable, and yeah, quite impressive. It's 70 quid, but if you can find it cheap, or 10 quid as I did, bargain. If you like these sort of videos, then please subscribe, because soon we're hoping to build this with Fluffy live. Might take a few sittings, and quite a few sittings, but yes, we're hoping to do this live. So if you enjoyed this sort of video and that sort of video, then please subscribe. Please also like the video, because that helps. And you can join us in our Facebook group down below. We also have a second channel, UK Abandoned Mine Explorers, which deals with exploring abandoned mines. If you're into that sort of thing, then check that out also. Link to that is down below. Other than that, thank you all very much for watching.
You need to quit being dirty. You're a dirty boy.